Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy, and today I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you this peppermint and gingerbread tree that Carrie and Rachel put together in the Trendy retail store. If you're not familiar with Trendy is a website that's been in business since 2007, but just over the last couple of months, Carrie opened a store in Pontotoc, Mississippi. So if you're ever in our area, please stop by and visit. We'd love to have you drop in. So this is a tree that they decorated in the store the other day. This is a wall tree. It's like a 7-foot flat wall tree, but it's decorated on both sides since you can see it from both sides in the store. But I'm going to go through and kind of give you an idea of some of the things that they used on the tree, show them to you a little more close up. There's lots of ornaments and picks and sprays and ribbons. Large ornaments, large peppermints, candy canes, Play-Doh gingerbread. There's some Raz elves, and there's just several different things to show you. I love those marshmallow picks. There's some wrapped candies, wrapped peppermints, and there's some signs that have Candyland, nutcrackers. There's those marshmallow picks and gingerbread boys and snowflake gingerbread picks. Just several different things to show you. There's some gummy bear ornaments, and there's some gingerbread, and there's some boxed ornaments. So I'm just going to take a few minutes and I'll give you the SKU numbers on those items to make it easier for you to find them on the website, or just drop by the store. This is a Raz 29-inch gingerbread spray. It's F3906682, and it's $9.97. This gingerbread spray is from Raz, and it's F3906760. It's made of felt, and it sells for $8.25. It has 3 little gingerbread on it. It's a wooden, but then it's covered in felt. This is and the number is F3716161, and it's $11.75. It's on a red and white wire and has several marshmallows on it. This is a little Santa ornament from Raz. It's a mouth-blown type ornament. It's made out of glass, and it's $3916223, and it's $10.75. It's about 6 inches in height. This is a wrapped peppermint, and it comes in 2 different versions. They're both red and white, but the number is MTX48430. It's like wrapped in cellophane, and it's $4.97. This nutcracker is from Raz. It's about 14.5 inches tall. It's made out of wood, and the number is 3716233. It's $29.99. It's got a lot of detail on it. These are little gummy bears from Raz. They're about 4 inches. They're made of plastic, and the number is 3932776. They're sold on the website as a set of 2, a red one and a green one, for $7.50. The gingerbread ornament number is MTX62583. It's about 8 inches, and it comes as a set, a girl and a boy, and the price is $17.50. This is a Ho 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 Santa Belt ornament from Burton & Burton. The number is 1765209. It's kind of made of a foam and paper mache. It's $7.25, and it comes in a really nice gift box. This Ho 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 Merry Christmas sign, the number is AP8187. It's about 12.5 inches tall, and it's only $3.97. The Candy Cane Lane sign is 16 inches by 6.5. It's made out of MDF. It's white and red. It kind of has a distressed look. It's $6.97. These little elves are from Raz. They're 16 inches in height, and they're made out of course, their clothes are fabric, but they have resin, face, and hands. Now, these elves are posable. You can bend their arms and legs, their hands. Now, they're not toys, so I mean, they are just for decoration only. They're not toys. The number is 380-2260, and on the website, they're sold as a set of 2, and the price is $63.97. This is a wrapped cellophane peppermint. It's about 9 inches. The number is MTX51183, and it's $9.75. The ribbons used on this tree, that first one is a 1.5 inch red with a white chenille edge, and that number is RG01598W7, is $6.25. The red and white diagonal stripe glittered ribbon is heavily glittered, and that number is RG8979WT. It's $11.97 a roll. And then the solid red, which is a thick metallic, is 8720440, and it's $7.97. All of these ribbons are 10 yards. The large peppermints are a pig. They're only available in the store right now. The frosted candy cane in red and white, the number is 274644, and they're $6.75. The ball ornament filled with peppermint candy is from Raz, and the number is 3819063. It's 4 inches, and it's $10.50. This is a metal gingerbread sign from Raz, and the number is 3928876. It's assorted. One has a car and one has a truck. They're about 13 inches, and they sell for $14.50. They have a distressed look. The red velvet poinsettia that's trimmed in white is 2805621. It's 21 inches in length, and it's only $5.25. It's a dark red. It's a beautiful poinsettia. The wrapped cellophane peppermint, I think I've already showed you that, was MTX51183, and it's $9.75. It's a gorgeous ornament and very lightweight. The gingerbread cookies from Raz is a box of 6, and they have a snowflake on them. They're about 3.75 inches, and it's 6 for $13.97. Makes a cute little gift package. These are metal signs, and the number is Y5777. They're 19 inches in width and 7 inches in height. They're embossed. They have a distressed look. They're assorted. There's 3 different styles. This one is Old St. Nick's Stocking Company, and then there's a Claus and Company toy shop, and then I have another one that I can't show you here, but it's red, and it's Mrs. Claus and Company Bakery. They are $10.97 each. This wreath is from Raz, and it's about 18 inches in width. The number is W3960865. It's made out of styrofoam and fabric, and it looks like peppermint candy. It's very lightweight. It has felt on the back, and the price of it is $54.97. It has a ribbon hanger. The gingerbread boy is velvet. It's a spray with 3 gingerbread boys, and it's MTX61988, and it's $7.50. The cone trees across the ledge at the top, I really couldn't get those down to show you close up, but the number on those are XAT278. They come as a set of 3, and one set of 3 is $65.99. That cone trees are really back in style this year. They were gone for a while, but they were all over market this past season. So we're seeing a lot of those again in several different styles. and I wanted to show you the top of the tree. I'm having to shoot it, I couldn't get up there to show you real good, but it's just filled with picks, large peppermints, the marshmallow sprays, the gingerbread picks, and the red and white ball candy canes. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel and just hit the little bell that's at the bottom of the screen. And that way you'll get a notice the next time we have another upload. We have more trees to show you, and we hope if you're ever in our town that you'll stop by and visit. But visit our website, www.trendytree.com, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.